Hi everyone, welcome to Craft With Us Live. I'm Cassandra, the museum educator at the Transco Museum this summer. It's our last week of Craft With Us Live. It's Backyard Games Week, so we're going to be making ladybugs versus tadpoles. So we're going to turn the camera around and we'll get started.
And once again, as always, my name is Jennifer. I will be monitoring the behind-the-scenes comments and questions on our Facebook. So if you have any questions, just let me know and I will relay them to Cassandra. Now, over to you.
So you're going to need 10 smaller rocks and then craft sticks or popsicle sticks. If you're using popsicle sticks, you're going to need more. But the amount is going to be sort of varied. So you need 2 support sticks, and then you need 4 crisscross. And then the amount you need to make for the actual board is going to vary depending on the size of the stones you're using. So, first off, once you get your sticks painted, I'm just going to put the crisscross ones aside for now. You're going to lay your support sticks horizontally and then glue the colored sticks across just like this, but on here. I'm using hot glue just for the sake of speed for this, but I did it the first time with white craft glue and it worked wonderfully. It just takes a bit longer to dry. So I'm just eyeballing it to see, just to make sure you're keeping the board square. Apologies for any time I move the camera. I have to press down just a titch. And you can paint these however you like. I chose to do blue and green, but I also saw them if you want to paint lily pads onto your board after you get it all together. You can do that too. And I actually have too few sticks.
Okay, I didn't measure this as well as I thought. So you're using hot glue. Can you use another type of glue? Or
oh yeah, absolutely. I'm just using hot glue in this for the sake of speed. But I did my original board with white craft glue, and you just have to sit something on top of it so everything dries flat, but it's just the drying time. So once you get your board glued out there, hopefully you don't miscount, you're gonna glue down your crisscross, your tic-tac-toe pattern. So I'm gonna glue these bottom ones down first fully, and then the vertical ones I'm just going to attach to these bottom sticks. Yes, definitely use white craft glue if you can, because the amount of times your fingers are going to come into contact with the hot glue, it's just safer. It's just safer to use white glue, and I can't count the number of times I've gotten burned. So there we go. And then if you're using white craft glue, it's gonna take a minute. It's gonna take a little bit for this whole board to dry. While that's drying, you're gonna paint your ladybugs and tadpoles. So for these guys, it sort of depends on the color of the rock you're using. The green paint is a little bit, covers the dark a little bit easier. The red paint, I don't know how well you can see that on camera, but it's still, you can still see some of the dark rock through the paint, and I put 5 coats on. So then after you get your base coat on, then for the ladybugs, you just do the little face and ladybug spots. And for the tadpole, it's just eyes, pupils, and then I just did little spots. And that doesn't take very long at all. And then, by the time you get all 10 of your rocks done, these should be ready, and then you guys can play ladybugs versus tadpoles. So, tic-tac-toe, essentially, but it's more fun. Alright, thank you everyone for joining us for our Craft With Us series. We're gonna have a post going up next week telling you where you can see the any videos that you missed. Thanks for watching. Bye!